in the blue of the sky, in the green of the forest. Who's that hand that has painted the globe? Well, there's something hiding behind those clouds. Something that expresses a new day. Namaskar, this is Utika Srivastav. I'm here at one of the ancient temples of India. Yes, the Sun Temple of Modhera, which is mystical experience of Gujarat's countryside. The pillars that recount ancient stories. Scenes from Ramayana and Mahabharata, intriguingly carved. The Sun Temple at Modhera is one of the 7 wonders of India, which is solely dedicated to the Sun God, the God of endless energy. माना जाता है इस मंदिर का निर्माण भीमदेव सोलंकी ने 11वीं सदी में कराया था। सोलंकी सूर्यवंशी को कुल देवता के रूप में पूजते थे, इसीलिए उन्होंने आराध्य देवता की आराधना के लिए ये सूर्य मंदिर का निर्माण करवाया। इस विश्व प्रसिद्ध मंदिर की सबसे बड़ी खासियत यह है कि पूरे मंदिर का निर्माण में जुड़ाई के लिए कहीं भी चूने का इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ है। ईरानी शैली में निर्मित इस मंदिर को भीमदेव ने 3 हिस्सों में बनवाया था। पहला हिस्सा गुड़ा मंडप, दूसरा सभा मंडप और तीसरा एक विशाल कुंड जिसे लोग आज सूर्य कुंड के नाम से जानते हैं। Located in the Modhera, a village in Gujarat which is 100 kilometers away from Ahmedabad city and 30 kilometers away from Patan district, the Sun Temple is situated on the banks of Pashupati river. The brilliant architecture of the temple is one of its own class. कहा जाता है मंदिर महमूद गजनी द्वारा लूट लिया गया था, फिर भी इसकी वास्तुशिल्प की भव्यता नहीं खत्म हुई है। कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि क्या बचा है, फिर भी अवशेष देखने के लिए लोगों की भीड़ उमटी रहती है।
Hi, I'm Diana. I'm from Australia, and this is my first time, and it's absolutely beautiful. In fact, it's surreal. I've never seen anything quite this beautiful, especially being my first time in India, and this being my second stop because I started in Mumbai. And yeah, it's just stunning. I'm lost for words, really.
Okay, what did you get to learn from this temple?
Well, I've just arrived, so I'm about to find out more. But as I understand, it's the Sun Temple.
Yeah.
I'm not sure when it was created. Maybe you can tell me that.
Every single inch of the structure is covered with the sculptural patterns of gods, goddesses, birds, beasts, and flowers. Well, for the construction of any building, what you must require? A blueprint, a drawing, that is all the required details. आपको पता है, आप मानेंगे नहीं, इस मंदिर का निर्माण का एक भी डिजाइन किसी भी पेपर पर किया नहीं गया है, बल्कि इस मंदिर का निर्माण कुछ इस तरह से किया गया है कि सूर्योदय होने पर सूर्य की पहली किरण सूर्य देवता की छवि पर पड़ती है। This place also has the deepest significance for Hindus. As per Puranas, after vanquishing Ravana, Lord Rama performed a yajna here to absolve the sin of killing a Brahmin. Rama built Modhera, which subsequently came to be known as Modhera. However, it is said that though the temple was plundered by Mahmud Ghazni and Alauddin Khilji, Still, the architecture grandeur is not vanished. No matter what is left, yet the remnants provide a great enchantment to behold. अब यहाँ कोई पूजा अर्चना नहीं होती। कहा जाता है कि महमूद गजनी के बाद अलाउद्दीन खिलजी द्वारा ये मंदिर खंडित कर दिया गया था। Centuries ago, classical dance performances used to held during festivals. The tradition is still alive.
The Sun Temple is an important element in the long chain of our rich heritage culture. Keeping this tradition alive, Gujarat Tourism every year organizes the Modhera Dance Festival in January to celebrate and venerate. Well, in the end, all I can say that if you want to experience this aura, then you must visit Modhera. Goodbye.